Welcome to Wheel Check Review. In a world where travel meets technology, the Futuristic Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution on wheels. This isn't your average RV. This is an intelligent, all-electric, self-sustaining home that redefines what it means to explore. From the moment you approach, the design grabs your attention. Sharp aerodynamic edges, seamless glass panels, and AI-responsive lighting systems that adapt to mood and environment. With a lightweight carbon fiber body and retractable solar wings, it's built for performance, sustainability, and pure visual impact. Step inside, and it feels like entering a luxury tech suite. The entire interior is voice-controlled. The walls are smart glass. With just a touch, they shift from panoramic windows to privacy mode or even transform into full-wall displays for entertainment or navigation. The cockpit features an augmented reality dashboard, 360-degree surround camera feed, and autopilot integration. Whether you're driving through mountains or deserts, the motorhome adjusts its ride height, tire grip, and energy efficiency in real time. You can relax while AI handles the road. The kitchen, fully modular. It folds out when needed and disappears into the wall when not. It includes an induction cooktop, fridge, and robotic assistant that prepares simple meals or even brews your coffee exactly the way you like it. The sleeping quarters aren't just a bed, it's a climate-controlled smart pod with biometric sleep tracking and ambient noise control. Above, a retractable skylight opens at night for stargazing or closes to display virtual scenes of your choice. Eco-living is at its core. The roof-mounted solar array powers everything, from water filtration systems to underfloor heating. It even has a built-in vertical garden that grows herbs and small vegetables. And let's not forget connectivity. With satellite internet, 5G backup, and a holographic communication system, you're never really off-grid unless you choose to be. This is more than just travel. It's freedom, reimagined, where comfort meets cutting-edge tech, and every journey becomes a glimpse into the future. Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.